Welcome back to Pro Chef Academy. So today what we're going to do is going to just show you how to carve your chicken. So we have a roast chicken here, we've taken out of the oven, we've let it rest for about 15 minutes. We removed the string there when we trussed it up earlier, and what we're going to do now is we're just going to cut it up. So what I'm going to do here, first of all, is I'm just going to cut off my legs here. You just cut there between the breast meat and the thigh and the leg, and then we just want to take that off like that. Okay, and what you can also do is you can also further separate your thigh there from your drumstick, and we'll place that on there. So other ones. What some people do as well when they're doing this there, if you had a bowl of ice water that you can put your hands into to cool down your hands, or if you have disposable gloves then as well, they will also help with this. So again there we're just going to separate there between your thigh and the drumstick. We keep that nice crispy skin there as well. We have our breast there. Take off the wing bones there, and they can be kept as well. We have the two of them. And then we have our breast, so we're just going to come, our pliable breastbone, we're just going to come to one side. There like that. And we've taken out our wishbone, so it makes carving really, really easy. So we just take off our breast, turn it around again. Like I said, if you have gloves on you, disposable gloves, or ice water. Like so. Now if you had this is a 1.5 kg chicken, if you had maybe a larger chicken, then you could also cut the breast in half, and you can maybe get 2 portions out of your breast as well. Take it off there like that, and we put our breast on like that. And then again there's also a little piece of meat here that you could pick off again if you wanted to. There's also here the oyster meat here that can come off. So there's plenty more chicken left on our carcass here. We can take off and use it for sandwiches and fillings and stuff like that. So we just take a second there just to look at what we've done with our chicken. We have our thigh and drumstick there, and then we have our breast that we've removed as well. So that's just an easy way of carving up a roast chicken. If you like this video and my other videos, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon again. Thank you.